Hello kids, let's read CVC sentences. Let's start. The cat sat on the mat. Repeat, children. The cat sat on the mat. Your turn, children. The dog is big in red. Repeat, children. The dog is big in red. Your turn. Sim can run fast. Repeat, children. Sim can run fast. Your turn, children. The sun is hot. Repeat. The sun is hot. Your turn, children. I will hop on the bus. Repeat. I will hop on the bus. Your turn, children. The book is in the rug. Repeat, children. The book is in the rug. Your turn, children. Pet has a fun toy. Repeat, children. Pet has a fun toy. Your turn, children. The man can dig a pit. Repeat. The man can dig a pit. Your turn, children. She saw a wet pig. She saw a wet pig. Your turn, children. The hen laid an egg. Repeat, children. The hen laid an egg. Your turn, children. The kid is on the bed. Repeat, children. The kid is on the bed. Your turn. Jim has a big bag. Repeat, children. Jim has a big bag. Your turn. Nan made a jam. Repeat, children. Nan made a jam. There it hit the ball. Repeat, children. The pit hit the ball. Your turn, children. The fox is in the box. Repeat, children. The fox is in the box. Your turn, children. Bean saw a red hen. Repeat, children. Bean saw a red hen. Your turn, children. The kid got the box. Repeat, children. The kid got the box. Your turn, children. Bye bye दोस्तों. Bye bye kids. Next video for next lesson.